Hello everyone. Welcome back to HAMSTER KOMBAT Daily Cipher for June 23. If this is your first visit, please subscribe to this channel. Firstly, select the Daily Cipher option among the 3 tabs to activate Daily Cipher. Start deciphering the code once the hamster space turned into red. Today's code is POO. The code for P is short tap plus long tap plus long tap plus short tap. Code for O is 3 long taps. Repeat this for the next O. Code for L is short tap plus long tap plus short tap plus short tap. Finally, tap on the Take the Prize to claim your 1 million coins. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates.